So, right. So in Python, there is no such funda as the curly braces. I mean, there is curly braces in Python, but then we use it for an altogether different idea. There is no such thing as curly braces denoting blocks. So the blocks in your code is actually denoted by indentation. Okay, so why do you think the guy who made Python, invented Python, stick to this weird kind of way of writing program? Right? Readability. So Python programs are by default, by design, supposed to be readable. It's supposed to be really understandable, even by people who don't understand Python. So that's why it resembles a lot like English. Alright. Or English combined with, used with mathematics. So this indentation, which you see here, is really important, and this is how you figure out whether a bunch of statements are in the same block or not. Right? So if I want to print something as well, I would go, right, if a equal to 50, then I give one tab, and then I put c equal to lt, then in the same tab I'll say print less than 50. And now if I want to have an if inside this if, I'll start my if right here. So it's important. Alright. So I'll have if a is less than 25. Again, colon is important. Colon basically tells the Python interpreter that alright, now we are going to look at an intended block. I'm going to write in less than 25. So if I write an else here, where would that else, which if would that else go with? The second or the first? Second. So if I want to write an else which has to go with the first if, I'll obviously write an else here. Right? Capish? Else print greater than. And C's value would be there. That's fine. If loops, okay? So right now we are just doing a single condition. Now we can obviously combine multiple conditions. We'll have your equal to. I can write a equal to my name, which is false. So I can have something like a less than 50. Okay, what's the AND operator in C? Right, interesting, right? A less than 50 and a greater than 25. It just, oh, I don't understand this thing. So let's try something lines of this. Okay, more readable. That's the idea. So we obviously have and or. You can have your not. Right. So you might want to experiment. You might want to try something like a not equal to 35. Won't work. Right. So now once you try this bunch of stuff, then you will start realizing how much it works and how much it doesn't. Right. So let's. Can someone tell me? Think about a really small program which you guys could try to work out. That's the idea of hands-on setting, right? All right, let's wait for the loops and then I'll give some random program. Right. So I'll be covering, your basic if, your basic loops, and your basic functions. And then I will be expecting you guys to ask me stuff, and then I'll be talking about other stuff. We got close to 35 minutes left. Right. Looping. What kind of loops do you expect in Python?
While
While. While. Yeah. Right. So let's see what else stuff we have. We do have the while loop. So I'm gonna write a equal to 10 while a is greater than 0. Print a. I'm gonna decrement a. How do I decrement a? Okay, there is no minus minus, okay, but there is minus equal to. So I'm going to write a minus equal to 1, and we have 1 to 10. Easy?
You don't have a minus minus?
No, we don't have a minus minus or minus. Because it's way too, the idea is that you use minus minus and plus plus just for one thing. Why waste intellect of the interpreter on experience stuff when we can always write manipulation? So we can always write manipulative or manipulative. Right. Simple. While loop. Memorized? Don't memorize it. Alright. What is our next loop? For loop. Alright, so I'll play that we don't have a do while loop. But then do while loop is just a syntactic to the while loop. We can always implement the do while loop without the while loop. Okay, so let's see for. Okay, how would you write for in Python? For I equal to 0, I less than 10, okay, plus equal to 1. This is our inverse syntax. So we need to get the, okay, so what I'll try to do is print, 0 to 9 first, and then we have a lot to talk about after this for loop is done. So this is the for loop in Python. For I in range 0 over 10. So this is essentially how you write your for loop. There's something really new here. I'm going to point it out. No chocolates. I'm running out of chocolates.
no increment.
Right. So there is no increment. There is something new on the screen, which is range. So what is range? Range, my friends, is again a built-in function called range. So let's see what range of 0, 10 does. It looks like, the output looks like an array. Oh, slow but right. The output looks like an array. In Python we call this a list. So we could have written for I in 5, print I. So there is nothing binding range with the for loop. This is one mistake which most of the people do, that they don't realize that range is just another function and for is just another operator which expects a list kind of deal for I to iterate on. So instead of range, I could have I just given this I equal to, for I in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So we are almost towards the end of this session and lot to cover. 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. Can someone write me factorial function? Not a function, factorial program. You don't need to input anything, you can just write a equal to 10. Okay, find me the factorial of 10 and make that easier. List start.
Does range of 0, 10 print 10 numbers from 0 or
Yeah, it basically goes on to if range of 0, n gives you 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1.
So 1, comma 50 gives me 1 to 49.
1 to 49. So how difficult is factorial of whole n? So okay, I can see that someone already got it. So if you can tell me, so since you don't have the privileges of the computer, you can use mine, or you can share Vikas as you won't write. Right. So how do you go about writing? So okay, I'll just clear the screen for you. A equal to 10. I want to find factorial of it. Or I in range 2, 8. Okay, let's see. Let's write factorial f equal to 1. For I in range 2, a. Let's be sure about it.
A plus 1.
A plus 1. Why do we need the a plus 1?
Because range goes to
Because range up to n will go only till n. And we can just write range because by default range of n starts from 0. Right? So 2, a plus 1, and then you write f star equal to I. F star equal to I, right? Okay, let's just print I here. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I could have written. I could have written 1, a plus 1. Makes sense in reading it. So I have 1 up to 10. So we just need the multiplication of this thing. So I'll write. So I in range this. Instead of print I'll write f star equal to I. And this is the value of factorial of 10. We can make sure that it's right. And otherwise change 10 to something which you already know, after 6 or 7, and try this. Okay? Easy? 3 lines, right? So I'm going to quickly tell you something about lists, and I'm keeping the climax for the last. I'm going to give you all the information for you to start learning Python, and then I hope that you have immediate questions, and then I'll answer the questions, and then we'll finish off. Go a separate place to a separate method. Right. So range of something gives you a list, right? So list is something like an array. So let's try to do some stuff with lists. So this I want you guys to go on, do it on your computer.